There's a point where a speaker stops sounding like a speaker and starts feeling like a window. You stop noticing the box, you stop thinking about the drivers, and you just hear the song, the singer, the room, and the little details hiding in the background. This is what separates a normal bookshelf speaker from a truly special one. Some of the models on this list are great value picks. Some are serious hi-fi machines. But the #1 speaker is the one that finally made me think, okay, this is the one I would build my whole system around. Number 7. Polk Audio Reserve R200. Don't let the simple design fool you, because this pair has much more going on than the cabinet shows. It has a clean, understated look, but inside it borrows some serious ideas from Polk's higher-end Legend series. You get a 1-inch Pinnacle ring radiator tweeter and a 6.5-inch turbine cone woofer, which is a strong setup for a speaker in this range. The tweeter helps create a wide sweet spot, so you don't have to sit in one perfect little spot to enjoy the sound. The woofer gives it real body, especially in the mid-bass, so drums, bass guitars, and movie effects feel bigger than expected. This is a great starting point for someone who wants a proper hi-fi soundstage without spending dream speaker money. It can make vocals feel open, instruments feel spaced out, and everyday listening feel much more exciting than a basic soundbar or budget speaker setup. It's not the most detailed or delicate speaker on this list, and the higher-ranked models will give you cleaner imaging and more refinement. But for the money, this is a confident and fun speaker that makes a lot of sense for music, movies, and mixed use. Number 6. Elac Debut 3.0 B6.3. Here's the kind of speaker that proves affordable hi-fi doesn't have to sound boring. It is simple, practical, and built for people who want real performance without turning the whole buying process into a science project. This model uses a 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter and a 6.5-inch aramid fiber woofer. That aramid fiber woofer matters because it is stiff, light, and controlled, which helps the speaker keep bass and mid-range cleaner when the music gets busy. The cabinet has also been improved with stronger internal bracing, so you get less unwanted vibration from the box itself. The best thing here is balance. It doesn't sound too thin, but it also doesn't sound muddy. Voices come through clearly, instruments have decent separation, and the bass has enough weight for normal rooms. Another nice bonus is that it's easier to drive than some older debut models, so you don't need a monster amplifier just to make it wake up. This is a smart pick for someone building a first serious setup. It's not the most luxurious speaker here, and it will not give you the same wow factor as the premium options near the top. But it gives you honest sound, strong value, and a very easy upgrade path. Number 5. Sony CS Speakers SS-CS5M2. This keeps the list friendly for buyers who want clean sound without spending too much. It's a smart pick for people who are building a budget stereo system, a small home theater setup, or a simple music room that still needs real speakers. The design is a 3-way 3-driver system, which is not something you always see at this price. It includes a 5.12-inch woofer, a 0.98-inch tweeter, and a 0.75-inch super tweeter. That layout helps separate the sound across different ranges, so bass, vocals, and high details each have their own job to do. The sound is clear, open, and easy to listen to. You should not expect huge bass from a compact passive speaker like this, but for normal music, TV, and casual listening, it gives you a lot of performance for the money. The super tweeter also helps with a sense of air on top, which can make acoustic tracks and movie sound effects feel more spacious. This is not the most powerful or refined speaker here, and serious audiophiles may want to move higher on the list. But for a simple, affordable, and trusted bookshelf speaker, it makes a lot of sense. Number 4. Edifier R1280DB Powered Bluetooth Bookshelf Speakers. Now we switch to something different because this one is powered. That means you don't need a separate amplifier or receiver just to get started. For many people, that is a huge win. You get 42 watts of total power, Bluetooth, optical input, coaxial input, and RCA inputs. That makes it very easy to connect a TV, computer, phone, turntable setup with the right preamp, or gaming desk. It's not trying to be a pure audiophile speaker like some of the passive models here. It's trying to be useful, simple, and good enough to upgrade your everyday sound fast. The 4-inch driver gives it a warm, friendly sound. and the side controls let you adjust bass and treble without digging through an app. That is a small thing, but it makes a difference in real life. Sometimes you just want to turn the bass down at night or add a little more sparkle for music. The main limit is scale. This is not the speaker for a large room or a serious high-power system, but for a desk, bedroom, small living room, or easy TV upgrade, it's one of the most convenient choices on the list. Before we get into the top 3, subscribe to Valid Consumer if you like simple buying guides that help you choose better without wasting money. Number 3. SVS Ultra Evolution Bookshelf. Here is the speaker that looks like it came from a designer who is tired of boring rectangles. The angled cabinet immediately stands out, but that shape is not just for style. It's designed to help align the sound from the tweeter and the woofer so they reach your ears more precisely. Inside, you get a diamond-coated aluminum dome tweeter and 6.5-inch glass fiber composite woofer. That sounds fancy, but the result is easy to understand. Cleaner detail, stronger imaging, and bass that feels bigger than expected from a bookshelf speaker. This is also where the SVS background really shows. The brand is famous for subwoofers, so it's not surprising that this speaker has real low-end confidence. It will not replace a dedicated subwoofer for deep movie effects, but for music, it can sound full, punchy, and very satisfying. The imaging is another major strength. When set up properly, sounds can lock into place with impressive focus. Vocals sit in the center, instruments spread across the room, and the whole presentation feels wide and powerful. This is not the softest or warmest speaker on the list. It has energy, scale, and a bold personality. If you want a bookshelf speaker that feels exciting, modern, and almost muscular, this one deserves serious attention. Number 2. Klipsch RP-600M Reference Premier. Here's the pick for people who want their speakers to sound alive. This pair has that classic Klipsch energy, which means it can make music and movies feel bold, clear, and exciting, even without needing a giant amplifier. The design uses a 1-inch titanium LTS vented tweeter with a Tractrix horn, along with a 6.5-inch spun copper cerametallic woofer. The horn helps control the high frequencies and improves efficiency, so the speaker can play loud and clean with less effort than many traditional designs. The sound is forward, punchy, and very engaging. Rock music has bite, movie effects have impact, and vocals cut through clearly. If you like a speaker that grabs your attention instead of sitting quietly in the background, this is a strong choice. The bass reflex design with a rear-firing port also helps it sound bigger than its cabinet size. You'll want to give it some breathing room from the wall because placement matters with rear-ported speakers. Set it up well, and it can feel much larger than expected. It may not be the best choice for someone who wants a very soft, laid-back sound. This is more of a fun, dynamic, high-energy speaker, but for home theater, rock, pop, gaming, and lively music listening, it earns its place near the top. Number 1. KEF R3 Meta. Finally, my dream speaker is here. This is the dream pick because it gives you serious reference-level performance without forcing you into giant floor-standing speakers. It's the kind of speaker that can make you stop thinking about upgrades for a long time. The design is a true three-way setup, using KEF's 12th generation unique Q driver array with MAT, plus a 6.5-inch hybrid aluminum bass driver. In real listening, that means the highs, mids, and lows each feel controlled and clean. Nothing sounds like it's working too hard. The magic is how invisible it can feel. With a good amplifier and proper placement, the cabinet starts to disappear. You don't feel like sound is coming from two boxes. You feel like the music is floating in the space between them. Vocals can sound locked in, instruments have room to breathe, and small details come through without feeling forced. The bass is also very impressive for a stand-mount speaker. It's not just about being loud or heavy, it's tight, quick, and controlled. That matters because messy bass can ruin even a detailed speaker. Here, the low end feels clean enough for serious music listening, but still strong enough to make the sound feel full. Another reason it takes the number 1 spot is refinement. Some speakers impress you in the first 10 seconds by sounding extra bright or extra punchy. This one impresses you over time because everything feels balanced, clear, and natural. It can handle soft vocals, busy rock tracks, jazz, movies, and detailed acoustic recordings without losing its calm. Of course, it is not cheap, and it deserves good amplification. If you pair it with a weak amp or place it badly, you won't hear what it can really do. But if you build around it properly, this speaker can become the heart of a serious system. So if you want simple convenience, the Edifier is the easy pick. If you want budget hi-fi, the Sony and Elac make sense. If you want energy, the Klipsch is hard to ignore. If you want power and imaging, the SVS is excellent. But if you want the one speaker that feels closest to endgame in a bookshelf shape, the KEF R3 Meta is the dream. Watch the next valid consumer video before you choose your setup, because the right amplifier can completely change what these speakers can do.